Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing and assembly video. I'm checking out this HOMMPA end table or side table for a bedroom. This comes with 2 drawers and an LED kind of cool light portion here. All right, friends, well, here we go. Whether you want it on some cool different colors, you can switch those up to different on the remote. You can do flashing colors, strobe, fade, or fades in and out, or like the smooth. So a bunch of different things. You just leave on the colors. 2 nice little drawers here, quite a bit of space. You can put whatever you want in there. And it just looks kind of like a little modern, like art piece almost. What's kind of cool too in the back is you could also put, like, if you had this next to the wall, like in a bedroom or something, it's got all this storage back here. You could put like kind of a little secret storage back there. So pretty neat. Looks kind of cool. I like the RGB lighting kicking off there. Definitely like for like a teenager's room or something like that, where they would really, you know, they're kind of into those different things, kind of modern looking with the LED RGB lights. So yeah, there it is. I think it looks pretty cool. Casts some nice shadows on the ground there. You can't even see the LEDs. So it just really looks kind of modern and sleek. So yeah, pretty easy build too, just a lot of pieces, but all in all, a nice little piece. So thanks so much for watching, my friends. I hope you all have a great day out there. Look at that, that's pretty cool. And plenty of storage there, like I said, and a little secret compartment in the back. Looks really nice. All right, my friends, have a great day. I'll catch you next time.